Monday, it's back to work, and I got my face in the toilet bowl. Mrs. CW and Fruit Loops decided they were going to throw this Elger toilet away because there was a big brown, oh, spider, big brown stain at the bottom of the bowl. I'm just chipping it right off. Pee-pee stains. Pretty gross, huh? That's why I wear gloves. Why did you wear gloves? Because he doesn't want to get pee-pee stains underneath his fingernails. Well, comes off pretty easy. Some scratches, I'm sure. I just went to the Napa that's closing up shop and I bought another $225 worth of junk. What did I buy? More interesting than a toilet, huh? Brake spring, tools, tailgate pivots, ultra copper, stethoscope for finding bad bearings, pulleys, idlers, PAG 150, air conditioning oil extra thick, brass exhaust manifold, nuts, hose clamps, thread locker, green, fuse box taps. Put it underneath the fuse and you can put a female connector on. Acorn nuts, fine and coarse. Welding wire, more PAG oil, PAG 100, PAG 150, extra thick for the discus compressor junk. Caliper, socket set, shock absorber repair, four-wheel drive, nuts, lock nuts. Pages and pages. Rough service light bulbs, 59 cents a bulb. Adapter, glass fuse, terminal. Shellac, refrigerant, tap oil, hose clamp. Sockets. CV boot clamp, tailgate wrench, hose. Oxygen sensor sockets. $236.67. Linkage clips. Never know when you need a linkage clip. Oxygen sensor socket. $5. All kinds of little odds and ends that just sit on the shelf until you need them, but when you need them, boy. Rough service bulbs. All kinds of stuff. Brake, spring, pliers. All kinds of goodies. Wait till Mrs. CW sees that on the credit card statement. I better stick my nose back in the toilet. My head, by the way, is fine from that bee sting on the scalp. It didn't penetrate my hard head, luckily. Luckily. They paid the price, the ultimate price. Wasp and hornet killer. Topped off with a dessert of brake cleaner. There. Take the garden hose to this, it'd be good as new. Elger, 1.6 gallon, 6 liter per flush, non-insulated. Yep, needs a little bit of spring cleaning, and a new toilet seat will spoil them. New toilet's 125 bucks. I only use Kohler, nothing but the best. Want to go look in the dumpster? Not today. I just discovered the best toilet seat. It's got a expanding sleeve and then a nut that expands the sleeve just like a wall anchor, and a big place to put your thumbs on it to tighten it or loosen it. The best toilet screw hinge system I've ever seen. Well, now you know. When you go buy a toilet seat, find the one with the expanding sleeve, and that goes up into the sleeve and makes it wider and makes it fit tight in the hole. Cool, huh? Learn something new every day. There it is. One slimy toilet cleaned up. Fruit Loops brought it upstairs. I've showed this before. When I install a toilet, see these bolts here? They usually hang loose. And they give you these little plastic lock washers that hold them from falling into the floor. Junk. I put a washer and a nut. So when I index this, I put a little pencil mark on the top to show which way the oval is, because it's got an oval base. And I put the oval this way, sideways, and I put a little pencil mark on the top. It's hard to see, but it's there. Anyhow, then I put a washer on, like this. I put a washer on, and then I put a nut, and I snug it down so these are solid. See? Makes it a lot easier to know exactly where they go. And I mushed up the old seal, put a new seal on top, 99 cents. And I should clean up a little bit more of this goopy here, but I'll do it once the toilet's in place because I'm going to silicone it after. So, move my toolbox out of the way, silicone, flat blade, yummy. And I guess I'll put the camera over there, whoops, and move this big pile of junk somewhere else. Yuck! Toilet wax. And I'll adjust the camera so that you see as much as possible. There. I'll get up. Grab the toilet. Huh, they're talking about summer nights on NPR, and they just had a woman talking about a 49 Chevy Deluxe two-tone green with a sun visor. And she said it's been in her family since new, 63 years. Must be California. Nothing around here for the last 63 years, and there it is. You plop it down, you squish down the seal. It's hot outside, so the wax distributes very easily. You throw a couple of these washers on. I should have some plastic retaining nut washers. Connect the water supply. Kill the bugs that are flying around here. See it? Walking better than mugs. Guess I'll have to get those plastic washers that hold the little white caps in place. They snap into place, but that's it. Installing a toilet made easy. What a worn out bathroom. Worn out. Worn out. Worn out. All painted up. Hope the people like it.